Sri Lankan folk tales.
Specially for you with Akitma Mithuli.
Hi, my friend. Today I have a beautiful folk tale for you. Today's folk tale is Gamarala and the Devil. Let's begin. Once in a village, there was a man. He was named Gamarala. Gamarala worked in the paddy fields, while Gamahamine worked at home. One day, when Gamarala was working very hard in the paddy fields, Gamahamine was at home cooking lunch. So, at that time, when Gamahamine wasn't looking, a devil snuck through the door and hid under the bed. He came to steal Gamahamine and Gamarala's stuff. Gamarala came home that evening. He told Gamahamine, "Gamahamine, have you made any food? I'm starving. I could eat a devil right now." Hearing that, the devil under the bed was shocked. He thought that Gamarala saw him and that Gamarala was going to eat the devil. Gamahamine gave Gamarala a knife and then told him that there's something you love to eat under the bed. Now the devil thought that it was him because he was under the bed and now Gamarala was coming to eat him. When Gamarala went to the bedroom, the devil quickly came out and said, "Oh, please, don't eat me. I'll do whatever you want for as long as you want." Hearing that, Gamarala had an idea. He would tell the devil to do all his work for rice every day as soon as he gets hungry. The devil promised that he'd do it for as long as Gamarala lived. Now, the next day, the devil came home with a lot of rice. Now, Gamarala was very happy. The next day, he also brought some wheat, and so on. So the next day, when Gamarala saw the devil, he asked the devil angrily, "Why didn't you bring me any wheat to eat? I was starving." The devil said, "Well, sir, half of your crop for me and everybody else in hell and half of it for you. So it all finished. So what was I supposed to do? Take others' ones? I don't steal." Then the devil went out laughing. Gamarala was half angry and half laughing. Gamahamine heard that and was roaring with laughter. That's it for today. I hope you liked my story very much. Come again. I'll tell you a different story. Till then, I hope you are well and goodbye.
Sri Lankan folk tales.
Specially for you with Akitma Mithuli.